Hi friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can add music to your Facebook post. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and don't forget to write comments after watching this video. So let's get started, friends. And open up the Facebook app on your phone. And then at the top, click here to create a new Facebook post. And here you can add some text if you need to. You can also add a photo, let's say. And once you've made all the changes that you want to make, you'll also be able to add music here. You'll need to scroll down this line here, or this line here. If you haven't written anything yet or added any photos, you'll have a menu like this. And you can only insert music into your Facebook post. So scroll down a little bit, find the music section. And this is where you can slightly remove a lot of the music, and it'll be immediately similar to what you're listening to, what you like. There will be similar selections to what you like. And you can scroll through in order to choose exactly the music that you like. After you find a song that you like, you can click on the player next to the music to listen to it. And let's say you want to play that song, click on the title itself. And as you can see this way, you can see an image of an artist or an album. And here you can also turn on the music to check that it's there. And then to post it, just click in the top right-hand corner Post. And you will immediately add that particular music to your Facebook post. Friends, this is the very simple way you can easily and quickly add music to your Facebook post. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.